Today we're talking about the Skytou Pottery Wheel, a great budget option for learning to throw pots. This is a great first wheel for kids and adults alike. It comes in a variety of colors including orange, blue, pink, yellow, and green. It only weighs about 30 pounds, so it's very portable compared to standard wheels that weigh around 100 pounds. The construction on this machine is solid. I really like the folded and welded metal. It's not super thick, which would make it heavy, but since it's all in one welded piece, it feels really sturdy. These wheels have 4 feet instead of 3, which means you may need to fiddle with it a little bit to get it level when you're setting it up or when you change locations. This motor is reversible, which means it can rotate either clockwise or counterclockwise. There's a slight lag between when you push the throttle and when the motor responds, which is pretty normal for these budget wheels. The motor feels strong enough to center about 10 or 15 pounds, though I haven't tested it beyond 6 pounds. Now, I'm a full-time potter and I rarely throw anything larger than 6 pounds, so this wheel will be plenty strong for beginner and intermediate potters. This wheel has a 9.8-inch wheel head with no bat pins. The throttle on this machine is both a hand crank and a foot pedal combination. I love this design, especially for beginning potters. With a hand crank, you won't accidentally change speeds, which can sometimes happen with a foot pedal. However, you still have a foot pedal for other activities on the wheel, like trimming or throwing off the hump. The splash pan on these machines is decent, but not great. I love the little compartments inside the splash pan for your tools. And it's detachable, which is good for cleaning and for attaching accessories like a Giffen grip. However, it fits loosely and rattles around when you're throwing. This is a problem, but you can fix it by wrapping a piece of string or yarn around that small space between the unit and the plate attached here. This will ensure you get a snug fit when you snap on the splash pan. I love the no-nonsense manual interface on these machines. I generally recommend you stay away from digital buttons or touchscreens. It's just too easy to accidentally hit one of those while you're throwing and your artwork goes flying. In my opinion, these potter's wheels are the best value on the market if you're wanting to learn to throw pots. I teach pottery and most of my students are kids. The ones that look and function like this one are the ones my students generally gravitate toward. If you're debating on going with a toy potter's wheel or something like this for a child in your life, go with this one. My kids started throwing at 5 and 7. Kids can do it and so can you. Check out more tips, tools, and reviews at Outpost Pottery. I'm MJ, thanks for watching and keep on learning.